Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we will be doing page number 132 from chapter number 9, boxes and sketches. So we will be over with this chapter today. So the topic which I have chosen is matchbox play, which is in page number 132. So there are three friends, that is Naveen, Bhaskar and Pratigya, made this bridge using a matchboxes. So this is the figure of a figure of a bridge using a matchboxes. Okay, so even you can try this at home. This is very interesting, right? So now based on this we have to solve the questions. The question is here, number one, if you look at the bridge from the top, how will it look? So if you look it from the top, how will it look? There is an option, two option given, number A and number B. So according to the figure, so our option number B will be correct. Why? Because you can see the color is getting matched. First of all, yellow. Yes, yellow is there. Then white part is there. So this is white part. Don't forget that we are watching from the top view. We are having a top view, not from the side view. From here above you have to watch it. Okay, so yellow, then white, yellow, white, then red. Two part are there, red, then white, then red, and then yellow. So that is why I have considered number 2 option as an absolutely correct option, not number B, because over here in number A it is brown part shaded with the brown part, but which is not getting matched with the given figure. Isn't it? Very simple thing. Alright, in the next question is there, that is, look at the photo and try to make a deep drawing of this bridge. So in our earlier class also we have drawn a deep drawing of the given figure, right? So looking at this figure we have to draw now a deep drawing. Here we have to see the side view. We will not draw the top view, as because deep drawing indicates the whole portion. If we try to draw only the top view, then the side view we will not be able to draw the side view. Okay, so let us now draw the deep drawing of this bridge. So it will look like this. So let me zoom out. So first part is this part I have drawn over here. Okay, then next white part is there. So white part is acting as a boundary here. It's a small part, right? Then again the yellow part, the bigger one. Again the small white part over here. Then again the bigger one. Then smaller one. Then again the larger one. That is the pink one, or you can say it has a red one. Then again white part. So how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so one part is missing, I guess. Yes, one part is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again one more I have to draw, that is over here. So you can draw it in a more clear manner. Okay, so this is the bigger one over here. Okay. Alright, so let me give me the final touch over here. Okay, now that is the bridge. The upper portion of the bridge is done. Now the side portion, that is the lower portion, needs to be done. That is at the white portion, isn't it? So this is our white portion here. So how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3 parts are there. So 1, 2, and 3, right? Similarly again in the white part you'll be drawing 1, 2, and 3. Again in this part, just have a look, there is white part at there, over here, right? So where we are going to make is over here. Yes, 1, 2, 3, as because this part is getting missing, isn't it? Or you can say if there is one white part but there is no straight line over there. So we are not going to make any box or deep drawing over there, or okay. So I hope you guys understood this. Similarly, at the last one over here, I have to make the 3 matchbox. So this is what it is actually representing, the deep drawing of this bridge, which is made by matchbox. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 here. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 5 and 6 here. Right, so this is getting matched. I guess you people understood, you people enjoyed how to make deep drawing. All right, so this much for today. We are over with the chapter, so I request you all to go through the video from the beginning. Okay, from the starting of the chapter. Wherever you have a doubt, you can share with me. So till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you, everyone.